23.
YouTube! What's good with y'all boys, man? First off, what I want to say is I do apologize for missing so many days. I was stressed out fucking that day. I think that was like the 15th or some shit. I was extremely stressed out. Had court, and once I missed that first, well, I didn't really miss it. I had the video up. It was supposed to get scheduled upload because I had recorded the video and edited the video the day before, so I can just have it done. And YouTube failed me, so yeah, that happened. And after that, I was just stressed out. Really didn't want to miss Vlogmas, but it happened. So I kind of just took a break from uploading every day. But I am gonna be back. I'm gonna get back on the grind for y'all and doing everything that I need to be doing for y'all, really. So today I am up at 4 a.m. again, grinding like a motherfucker. Just going on a little cruise. I got some shit I need to take care of in South Point, so it's a deep ass kind of drive, and I got this shit in cruise control, but nigga, I'm finna hit a mean ass turn, and I can't be going fucking 70 miles per hour, fucking turning this fucking corner. That shit dead. I'll fuck around and be drifting around this motherfucker. But yeah, man, I do apologize for that. I am gonna get back on the grind for y'all. Like I said, first thing I am gonna be doing is just uploading some videos, really. I gotta set this shit back at fucking 70 like it was. That's 65, 70. I ain't gonna lie, I like that feature. So in the Chargers, I don't know if y'all got one or not. If y'all don't, then informational video. But you can set what you want your speed to be. I don't know if y'all can fucking see that. Oh shit, I mean, y'all fucking blurry as hell. Hold on, let me clean y'all off real quick. Can y'all see now? I think y'all can see now. But as y'all can see, I can set my speed to what I want it to be. And if I go over that speed, it fucking tells me like my fucking seatbelt is off, even though it is off. Tells me like my seatbelt is off. Like it dings, it tells me like, oh yeah, you passed, your speed limit that you wanted to go past, type shit, So you can do that. And then I just set my shit on cruise control, so if it go faster than that, now I know. And then do y'all use y'all foot when y'all on cruise control? That's something I want to know. Like, do people really still put their foot on like the gas and shit when you on cruise control? Like, I be chilling back. I be fucking stretching my leg and shit. I be chilling. Damn, Vegas look nice as hell. I don't even know y'all can see that shit. My window's so fucking dark, bro. Having 5% at nighttime, bro, is such fucking... It's a bad decision. If you work night times, I'm telling you, bro, you're not gonna be able to fucking see at nighttime. Cause I can barely see shit. Like if anybody decides they want to just go past my car and they're wearing all black, and I'm on a public road, like just a regular street, oh yes, over with. You might fuck around and get smacked, nigga. But yeah, so I got a little errand to run, nigga. So I'm fucking up at 4 a.m. I'm gonna record some shit for y'all, get some footage. I'm not really gonna edit this video. I'm gonna do it like last time, because I see how y'all fucked with that video last time. Well, that last video with me just not me not editing shit and just getting it out. So I'm gonna do that again for y'all, because why not, yeah, I'm just gonna do that again for y'all, because If y'all fucked with it, I see the views went up for it. I see the likes went up for it. I genuinely appreciate that. So why not? Why not do it again? If y'all fuck with it that much. But I don't know if y'all want me to cut up. Like, I mean, not really cutting up. I mean, y'all want me to give y'all like a quick pull? Cause I could do that. I mean, it's nothing but open road. Nothing but open road, bro. Like, I'm genuinely basically the only person on the fucking freeway right now. Well, not really. I'm not really the only person. I don't even know if y'all can see that shit. There's people in front of me and shit like that, but like right here where I'm at, there's no one here. Like, it's just me. I'm in my own lane type shit. Yeah. I'm in my own lane. This is what the strip look like. If y'all ain't never seen a strip, y'all ain't never been to Vegas, I guess it's an experience if you ain't never been here. But this is what the strip look like. That nigga flying? Damn. If I'm going 70, you at least going like 90. Cause you passed me up with some speed. And that little ass V6 or V4, where the fuck it is. That nigga got some speed. But yeah, man, this is how the strip looks like at nighttime, bro. It's really nothing here. Like, you're not really seeing shit. You see a couple lights here and there. You got the Allegiant Stadium right there. But really, it's really nothing. Like, it's really... Once you move out here and you actually see this shit for yourself, this shit boring as fuck. You see the same shit every time. And really, like, I don't know, motherfuckers who are from Vegas, like, they don't consider the strip downtown. They consider Fremont downtown for some fucking reason. I don't know why. That shit is all the same shit. They all right next to each other anyway. But they literally right next to each other. I want to give y'all a pull though. Damn, that shit bright as fuck. That shit a different type of bright. I want to clear this little area though right here because it be police right here. And yeah, I don't want to give y'all a pull. Then next thing you know, I'm getting pulled over. So I'm gonna get up just a little bit. Give y'all a little quick little pull. Let me turn off cruise control so I can give y'all a little. Niggas like, is he ready? Is he ready? 1, 2, 3. That shit beeping like a motherfucker. Alright, that was my quick little pull for y'all. Let me get back to my appropriate speed. Get back to my appropriate speed. I don't even know where I'm at. Oh. Increase that shit to 70 again. But yeah, man, I am gonna get back to my normal upload schedule. I'm probably giving y'all like twice a week. I could say I do twice a week. I could do that twice a week for y'all. Cause it was once a week. But I can go back to doing twice a week just for, the holidays. Cause it's almost Christmas time. We got like what? A day or two? One more day. So this is Christmas Eve today. So I can finish the month out giving y'all two videos. Something slight for y'all. Show my appreciation. But yeah, man. I got some big things coming, man. As y'all seen from my other videos, damn, y'all didn't see those yet. I have them recorded. I am back working now, so I'm gonna be giving y'all some new mods, shit like that. I still have to go I still gotta fucking put that damn bumper on. I got a new bumper, so I gotta finish sanding that down, paint it, shit like that. Knock that out, really. So I'm finna be slaving my ass off so I can get all that shit done. Knock that shit out for y'all boys, and make my dream come true, but make y'all feel like y'all perfect. Y'all dream car is what y'all be looking at, really. I really be giving y'all dream car for real. I feel like this is knowing my black ass gonna fuck around and not get off, and I'm gonna miss my exit. But yeah, this is the exit I'm supposed to get off of. Well, I don't know. I guess it's too early. I don't know my sense of direction, or I just wasn't paying attention. So I missed the last. Well, not later. I didn't really miss the last exit. I missed the exit that I usually guide myself off of, and I didn't know I passed it up. But damn, I really miss doing this shit. I really miss this shit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be, doing everything that y'all want to see. I got some more wild shit I need to upload. That video that was supposed to get uploaded on the 15th was a pretty exciting video, but YouTube fumbled it itself. I guess they didn't want to get paid. This nigga driving too slow. What the fuck is that? A Porsche? A matte Porsche? That's not even a matte. That's not even a matte. But I don't know. I feel like I should set that shit higher to like 100 or some shit. I don't know, because I feel like if I do like this one pull, that shit gonna fuck me up. It's not gonna fuck me up. It's gonna piss me off after that shit just dinging for so fucking long. Because I don't know if y'all know, but with so much fucking horsepower, you push so much fucking horsepower at so little time, you exceed fucking 70 miles per hour quick as fuck. So, yeah. You exceed that shit quick as hell. Shit, you might exceed that shit fast as hell in the fucking Altima. Them motherfuckers be moving like Hellcats. But I'm gonna end this video here. I'll get back with y'all tomorrow. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.